Hmm. One thing I wish that I was able to do on this app is zoom in at least 2 times, at least like a 2 times zoom. But the app doesn't allow me to do that. But there was an update to the app when I got to work today. So I don't know what they updated or, what extra it offers. So and that was to the DJI Mimo app. So there was an update to the app, not to the camera. I doubt that there was a firmware update on this camera. Cruise control on. All right. And away we go. Okay. So last night, don't want to be doing that. So last night, during our drive home, all right, this guy's going a little bit slow. 30 and a 45? I don't think so. I was doing some controlled breathing on the way home. And the way I do that is while I'll breathe in as deep as I'm able, without forcing it, and then I will say a mantra to myself while I'm inhaling. I will say, inhaling through my nose, I will think to myself, new positive energy consumes me. And then when I'm about to exhale out my mouth, I will think to myself, old negative energy escapes me. So again, inhaling through your nose, new positive energy consumes me, and then exhale out your mouth and say, old negative energy escapes me. Our nose is for breathing, our mouth is for eating. So inhale through your nose, exhale out your mouth. And each time that you inhale through your nose, try to inhale a little deeper. And when you're exhaling, try to exhale a little more completely. And you can do this controlled breathing anytime, while you're working, while you're sleeping, especially when you're about to go to sleep. It really helps.